Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante and this is our video number 2 in our series on GCash Invest Money. And today we're going to talk about some important reminders as well as answer some frequently asked questions. And we're also going to share with you some tips on investing. Now, if you're wondering who can invest using Invest Money, the primary requirement is for you to be at least 18 years old with a fully KYC'd GCash account. So that is one of the requirements. And at the same time, you should also have completed the registration process and have been approved for Invest Money. Now, if you have already received an SMS notification about you qualifying for Invest Money but have not yet registered, you can check out our first video and that will help you or guide you through the process on how you can get yourself registered. And then approval only takes a few minutes and you can get the confirmation for that approval right away. So once you're approved, be sure to fund or cash into your GCash account. Now, the good thing about GCash Invest Money is that you don't need thousands to start investing. You can actually get started for as low as 50 pesos only. So take advantage of this great opportunity to really get yourself started with investing. Invest in your education as an investor. Take advantage of the free resources available on the web. Like I said, you can join Facebook groups like the Global Filipino Investors or TGFI, Smart Pinoy Investor. Familiarize yourself with terms. If you're not very familiar with the terminologies being used, you can go to investopedia.com. And of course, before putting in your hard-earned money into any investment products, be sure that you read the risk disclosures, the fund objectives. At the same time, try to look at the portfolio where this money that they're pulling will be invested in. This will help you make a better decision so you can also align this investment that you're going to make to your own personal goal. Investments have risk involved. So be sure to invest only what you can afford to lose. Why? Because investments are not insured. There's no insurance. It's not like bank deposits that when a company goes bankrupt, you can still claim a certain amount from PDIC or the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. Another thing that I would like to share with you is that investing is not a one-time exercise, but it's creating a habit. First of all, of course, setting aside a certain amount from your income for your investment, for your future. And the good thing is it's something that you can look forward to when, say for example, for your retirement. So those are the tips and reminders, not only for you, but it's for all of us. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to share them in the comments. For our next video, I'll show you the complete process on how to subscribe to your first investment product inside GCash Invest Money. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click on that bell button so you get notified every time we have a new upload. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day.